MLINCI, yes. Oh yes, that's the crackling sound. Ooh, yeah. Hi guys, look at what we have here. It's a heap of MLINCI. You know, they're still warm. We're making MLINCI on the hot plate, the traditional old-fashioned Croatian way. We have assembled some kind of furnace with the hot plate that belonged to the stove in my grandma's house. So we have this contraption ready, and I just rolled out the MLINCI dough, and we are roasting or baking or whatever you want to say, roasting MLINCI. And my mom has made roast chicken inside, so in a moment we're going to crunch up our MLINCI, soak them in those great basting juices, and we're going to have our Sunday lunch. Dog, cat, everybody's waiting for MLINCI, and mom is rolling out MLINCI. And we have a heap there. Some of them are already rolled out. Ready?
I hope so.
How do we know it's ready?
When its bubbles came to the other side.
And it needs to be a little bit charred.
Yeah, a little bit. Not hard, but a little bit.
Look at this MLINCI. Eba, are you waiting for your own piece? Bravo, Pepa. Mama, koliko dugo nisi te mlince radila i jela?
Moja baka je sad već 30 godina pokojna, znači tako nekako. Pa me to podsjeća na djetinjstvo i nudila mi je pečenog piceka. A ja sam rekla, ne samo mi speci mlince sa zabilom. I to su znači mlinci sa zabilom sada.
Dobro, sad ćemo degustirati jednoga.
Može? E tako vidiš.
Now my mom and I are going to eat MLINCI the way that they are eaten in Međimurje, rolled up with some lard, or a special type of lard that they use in Međimurje.
Babica moja.
Babica. I'm waiting here for the last one because I want to see Nikica flip the last one and show it to you in the camera. It's almost done. So MLINCI are usually eaten with some kind of roast poultry. Normally we eat that with turkey, so we have purica s mlincima, roast turkey with MLINCI. But if it's not any kind of special holiday, you can have it. You can show it to the camera. The last one. Yes, that's it. Ooh, I can still feel the warmth of the last MLINCI. Bye guys. Bye.